And to be very frank, it requires no efforts. Yes, really it requires no efforts. The only thing what is required here is whenever the teacher explains in the class, you have to just pay attention, listen carefully. That's it. Hello students, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. Just imagine that you are constructing one building. You have completed foundation work, completed the construction of first floor, also completed the construction of second floor, and now the work of third floor is in progress. But later, while the third floor work is in progress, you realize that you have done one mistake while working on the foundation of that building. And it's a great mistake. It's very difficult to correct that mistake right now. And so, whether to continue the construction of third floor or to stop the construction or to demolish the building, all these question marks stands in front of you. So what exactly is the mistake here? Foundation. Always the foundation of each and everything is very important. If the base is strong, if the foundation is strong, whatever you construct on that is going to last for long time. And if the foundation is weak, we cannot assure that whatever stands on that foundation is going to last for how many years. Now, why I'm talking of this foundation? Because today in this video, I'm going to talk about the foundation of your career, your basic knowledge. So what exactly is this basic knowledge? Why it is so important? Where it is important? Where you are going to use this basic knowledge? Which exams are conducted based on this basic knowledge? And when we talk about the basic, from which standard we can consider it as a basic knowledge? Is there any change in the syllabus? Which chapters are being changed? Is it going to affect your future? So all these things we are going to discuss in this video. All these questions regarding the foundation, regarding the basic are going to be discussed in this video. So please do watch this video till end. Now when I talk about the basic, why basic is important? Why we should study basic? For which exam it is exactly important? If you are career oriented, if you are ambitious, if you want to stand in competition, you have to make yourself perfect. If you are studying for Sainik school exam, Navodaya school exam, military school exam, Agnivir exam, banking exam, different scholarship exam, TET, CTET. Not only this, if you are pursuing any degree course, you know the companies come in your campus and they offer job to you. And this job is not easily offered to you. For that they conduct interviews. And they don't conduct interviews for each and every student pursuing degree in that particular college. No. Before that, they filter the students. And the first filtration is aptitude test. So the companies, they conduct the aptitude test and they select eligible students for the interview. So even here, for all such things, this basic knowledge is important. Now, what exactly basic means and how you can update yourself in the basic knowledge. Basic knowledge, according to academics, we can say from 6th standard onwards. Because up to 5th standard, you study what exactly is required for the next classes. Means up to 5th standard, what I have observed, that we study very basic concept like simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, decimal. Only these basic things are taught in these lower classes, and the application based concept starts from standard 6th. It's applicable for all these subjects, right from your English, Hindi, the state language, science, maths and social studies. So for all these subjects, this is applicable. So when we talk about the basic, now as my subjects are maths and science, I will tell you something related to these subjects. So maths, important definitions. Definitions like right from what is square, what is circle, what is the diameter of the circle, and the different formulas right from area of the square, area of the triangle. All these formulas must be at the tip of your tongue. Then regarding science, the definition of work, energy, heat, chemical reactions, how the chemical reactions are written, their symbols, their formulas, regarding biology, everything regarding the life process, everything regarding the living kingdom. All these things must be there at the tip of your tongue. And let's talk about the English subject regarding grammar, sentence construction, different parts of speech. All these things must be there at the tip of your tongue. So, whatever you study right from 6th standard, you have to keep it in your mind. And to be very frank, it requires no efforts. Yes, really it requires no efforts. The only thing what is required here is whenever the teacher explains in the class, you have to just pay attention, listen carefully. That's it. Once you listen carefully to the concept, it becomes permanently fit in your nervous system, in your brain. You will never forget that. Yes, the only thing required to make yourself perfect is not the physical effort but your concentration. You have to just listen carefully to the explanation. That's it. Now let's talk about some changes which are there in the present syllabus. Now in science, something like thermodynamics, then the detailed study of the heat, temperature, electromagnetic induction. Then regarding the other chapters like diversity in the living kingdom, different kingdoms of living organisms. Then in chemistry, the periodic classification of elements, how the periodic table is written, how the different elements and the position in the periodic table is related. It's not the part of your syllabus. In mathematics, we don't have construction part. How to construct the perpendicular to the line, how to bisect the line, how to bisect the angle, how to construct equal angle, how to construct different type of triangles, how to construct the tangent. We don't have in your syllabus right now. Apart from this, we don't even have the chapters like surds, set theory, permutation and combination, even the Pythagoras theorem, which we can say is the main part of mathematics. Even such things are not the part of the school syllabus right now, at least in the Karnataka state syllabus. So here they have removed all this chapter from the school syllabus, but it is important for your higher competitive exams. So like this, the change in the syllabus is definitely going to affect your future studies and your future exam. But okay, if we keep these chapters aside, at least whatever is there in your book, at least whatever chapters, whatever concepts are there right now in your book, at least those chapters you study properly so that you will not have to spend the extra time. You will not have to take the extra efforts on that particular thing what is already there in your syllabus. So my dear students, this is how the basic concept, the basic study is very, very, very important for your later competitive exams. So in whichever standard right now you are, please pay attention to the explanation. Make yourself perfect in each and every class so that whatever your life is built on this basic foundation becomes strong and successful. So my dear students, whoever is watching this video till this end, I am very, very, very thankful to all those students. And please pass this important information to your friends. Share this video among maximum number of students and to get the updates of such important tips and also regarding your school syllabus, please do subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. So all the best for your bright future. Thank you so much for watching this video.